Love finding quality candidates for hard to fill roles, but hate scheduling them for screens and interviews? You'll love the easy to use Calendly scheduling integration with Greenhouse. Instead of having to constantly switch tabs between Greenhouse and your email, stay where you're already working and easily get interviews booked. Quickly drop a Calendly link directly into your candidate's communications, allowing them to schedule at a time that works best for them and the interviewer. No more playing phone and email tag until you find a time that works for everyone. Simply pick the interviewer, name, and meeting type from the Greenhouse dropdown, and the integration takes care of the rest. Speaking of candidate experience, make the process effortless and personalized so you can stand out in a competitive environment. Customize messaging on your booking page so candidates understand more about the interview process. Plus, you can direct them to a specific page on your website after they book to learn more about your company as they prep for the interview. You can even provide options for your candidate to easily reschedule if they need to, without having to reach out manually. Always have Calendly at your fingertips with our browser extension. Review upcoming meetings, create one offs for a last minute need, and see meeting history with candidates. Best of all, you're only a click away from dropping meeting links into emails, chats, LinkedIn, or messages you send directly from Greenhouse. With Calendly plus Greenhouse, you can reduce time to hire and get an edge over the competition to hire the best candidates. Happy scheduling!